How to send money with Wise. Before initiating any money transfers using Wise, it is essential to ensure that we possess the necessary information about the recipient. This includes their email address, complete name, including any middle names, and naturally their banking particulars. Additionally, depending on the amount being sent and the currencies involved, it may be necessary to undergo identity verification. To ensure smooth verification during the tutorial, it is advisable to gather a couple of identification documents. I possess a passport that can be utilized for this purpose later on. Once you have all the necessary documents prepared, the initial step is to download and install the Wise app. We can proceed with the registration process, which is relatively simple. Enter your email address, and unless you're registering as a business entity, choose the option for a personal account. Next, specify your country of residence and provide your telephone number. Next, patiently wait for a text message from the Wise app, which should arrive promptly. Once you receive the text message, input the 6-digit security code and proceed by clicking the Submit button. Following this, you will be prompted to select a password. And your Wise account is now created. Once you have successfully logged into your account, locate the Send Money and click on it. To initiate the transfer, you'll need to enter the desired amount you wish to send, along with the respective currencies for yourself and the recipient, taking into account the applicable fee. When it comes to currency options, you have 3 choices. It's important to note that the low-cost option is the most affordable. It may take longer since you'll manually transfer the funds to the Wise app. However, in just a moment, you'll discover that you can securely connect your bank account to the Wise app, significantly expediting the process. This convenient method allows you to enter your card details or conveniently use Apple Pay or Google Pay. Keep in mind that this option incurs additional charges. On the other hand, the advanced option involves utilizing the SWIFT network, which might result in your bank imposing fees. As a result, this is generally not a favorable choice, as it is the most expensive method of sending money. For now, I will opt for a low-cost transfer, but don't worry, you will have the opportunity to reconsider and change your selection later on. Now, proceed by clicking Continue. Select the recipient to whom you are sending the money and provide their necessary details. Once done, click Confirm and continue with the process. At this stage, we have gathered all the essential information, which we can now review. We still have the flexibility to modify the transfer method if desired. However, in this case, I will stick with the low-cost option and proceed by clicking Continue to Payment. After selecting our bank, we have the option to connect through the Wise app. However, I prefer not to share my bank details with the app. Instead, I will make the payment manually. Just ensure that when you make the transfer, you enter the correct payment reference and complete within 2 hours. Failing to do so may result in not receiving the initially quoted exchange rate. Once you completed the manual transfer, just click on I've made my bank transfer and let the Wise app handle the rest. It will notify you once the transfer is complete. To sign up with the Wise app, please click on the affiliate link provided in the description box. By using this link, you'll be supporting both me and my channel. And that's how you send money with Wise app. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.